This is a Laurea thesis template tutorial. In this video there will be presented and solved the most common problems that students have with their thesis template. The Laurea logo should be only on the cover page. If your thesis title is on 2 lines or you have accidentally pressed enter on the cover page, the logo appears on the next page too. It can be removed by deleting the redundant enter on the cover page. This problem happens because a section break that belongs on the first page has been moved by the additional enter. By switching on formatting symbols, you can see where the section break has gone. Keywords should be on the line 54. Click your cursor on the abstract page, go to Page Layout, Line Numbers and choose Restart each page. You can turn off the line numbers from the same place by clicking None. All the headings you have should have a heading style. Use heading 1 for the introduction and new chapters. Use heading 2 for subheadings and heading 3 for second-degree subheadings. There is no need for 2 empty lines between text and headings. Only one on both sides is enough. By using the heading styles, that one line will be there automatically. Figures and tables need to be captioned for later use. Click the picture and go to References. Click Insert Captions and choose Figure as the label. If it's not already on the list, click New Label and write Figure. Remember to choose below selected item before clicking OK on this window. Do this also to tables on your document by clicking the little square on the top left side of the table. Then, just as you did with the pictures, go to References, Insert Caption and choose Table as the label. Delete redundant pages by clicking on the page and pressing backspace. If that doesn't work, check for any invisible marks on the page with the formatting symbols on and delete them. Remember that any ready-made section breaks in the document are necessary, but you can move them in a more appropriate spot. Let's check the spacing of the reference list. The style in which references should be listed is normal. Paint the text and fix the style if it's wrong. Sometimes your table of figures can show this error. Try update the entire field first. If that doesn't work, check that all your figures are named using Insert Caption. If you manage to lose the whole field or it appears broken, you can create a new table from References and insert Table of Figures. Check that the caption label matches the table you are creating. Next, we'll fix the appendices. We want the title of each appendix to appear in this table. First, let's check the headers. We have two appendices, but the header changes both pages into either appendix 1 or 2. Insert a section break from page layout right after the previous appendix. Then double-click the header on the next page, and a header design menu should appear above. If it says Link to Previous on the header, switch it off by clicking Link to Previous on the design toolbar. If the table of appendices doesn't update correctly, make sure the titles of your appendices are in the appendix title style, or you have inserted the title with insert caption instead of writing it straight into the document. Lastly, there appears to be a part of the body text in the table of contents. Check that the body text is a normal